Hello everyone! Thank you all for joining us today. We want to discuss an important topic, the upcoming options-based lockdown drill we'll be practicing this week.
Absolutely, Mr. Dahl. Our primary goal is to ensure that everyone learns valuable safety procedures without creating fear or anxiety. So let's talk about how we can achieve that.
Right. During our drill, we're encouraging a restorative circle approach. We will begin by announcing that there is a stranger outside the office. This approach allows you to walk through scenarios at a comfortable pace and engage your students in discussion. It's a great way for everyone to process the information without all the stress of actually acting out the scenario.
Exactly. For your younger students, we suggest using a mild scenario like an unknown angry adult is in the entryway of the school. This way, we can teach appropriate responses without overwhelming them.
And remember, it is important to give your students time to discuss options. For example, you will lock and barricade the door, cover the windows, scatter about the room out of sight, but you might want to discuss what you will do if you need to evacuate or if the intruder gets into the classroom.
That's right. The level of detail you go into should depend on your students' ages. For grades K through 2, you might focus on simple actions like screaming and throwing objects, while for older students, you could discuss more involved responses, including how to barricade or confront an intruder if necessary.
Consider talking with your students as to where the designated rally point is. Familiarizing them with the location ahead of time can really help in an emergency. Our rally points are Meadowlark or Independence, depending on which direction you need to escape. So you could discuss with your students that you might go to Meadowlark if there is a conflict on the playground, or you might go to Independence if there's an ambulance in the south parking lot. Just some what ifs.
We've attached the options-based lockdown drill script for your reference. It includes segments for student engagement, though it may need some adjustments before you use it, depending how in-depth you want to go with your learners.
Before we wrap up, let's go over some basic or fundamental steps you all follow during the drill. The first thing that everyone will do will close and lock all doors and windows.
Number 2, use items in the room to barricade the door.
3, move all students out of sight and as far from doors and windows as possible within your classroom. Do not huddle in a group. You should scatter about the room.
Do not continue classroom activities. Stay as quiet as possible.
Number 5, continuously evaluate. During this drill, we will not have any scenarios. We will just have students remain quiet, but in your head, be thinking about those what if scenarios.
The all clear will be signaled by myself, Officer Squara, or Mr. Dahl unlocking your door and giving you the all clear. Please remember that the all clear is given only by emergency personnel unlocking your door.
So then at this point, we ask that classrooms circle up and discuss their options. We have included a script that can give you some talking points that you can modify into age-appropriate language for your grade level.
Great summary for us all. We hope this helps. We'll also ensure parents are informed about this practice so they know what to expect.
If you have any questions or need additional resources, please feel free to reach out to us. Your support is vital in making this a positive experience for all of our students.
Thank you all for your commitment to keeping our students safe.
Have a wonderful day.